driving lesson in Brooklyn. Now, in Pierre Driving School, we're located in the Brooklyn area. We do cover lesson with students around our neighborhood. All right, so if we do seek some help to get you some lesson in Brooklyn, Pierre Driving School, we gladly wanted to help. You can check our website at pierrepauldraiving.com, or you can give us a call at 718-576-6277. We've been covering the Brooklyn area for quite a while now. We really got some experience of what we do, you know what I mean? So we've been helping thousands of students to get the license, many of them on their first try doing lesson with us. All right, so it shouldn't be that hard and complicated for you to get a driver's license. As long as you get the right training from the right driving school, getting your license is not an issue at all. Many people will suggest that you do lesson with families and friends, which is not a problem, but you do need to seek some professional driver's lesson so you can be well on your way and you can be very informed of what you're doing. All right, we cover all the 5 boroughs in New York City for road tests, and we do picked up and drop off, and also we start giving lessons from 7 a.m. in the morning to 7 p.m. in the night. We offer the 5-hour pre-licensing course as well. Our schedule for that class is every Tuesdays and Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and every Thursdays and Sundays from 12 midday to 5 p.m. The office hours are Monday to Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday from 10 to 4, Sunday the office is closed, but we also operate by appointment because we offer the 5-hour class on Sunday. Okay, so if you do have any families and friends, and especially you need some help on doing some driving lesson in Brooklyn, Pierre Driving School will gladly want to help. And we have our staffs and our trained instructor. They're all certified by the DMV, so they really pretty much know what they're doing. All right, so you can check our credibility on what Google have to say about us, and also you can check our website if you want to book any lesson. We have a mock lesson that's moving very good for all the new students. We do a mock road test with you to see at what position that you stand, to see how ready are you to get and go for your road test here. All right, so Pierre Driving School will gladly help you to get on your driving game here in Brooklyn, New York City. All right, so Brooklyn driving lesson, Pierre Driving School will be the best fit for you if you're ready to hit the wood and do some driving lesson. It is not that complicated. You guys can do it. I've seen many people, they get nervous. We specialize on nervous students. You know what I mean? We can get the job done. Only reason that you're nervous, it's lack of confidence. The minute that we help you build that confidence that you need to go take your road test, you will pass with flying colors. It is not that complicated. Once you and I understand that, it is nothing but delivering based on what you've learned, then taking your road test and passing it, it's a piece of cake. You know what I mean? So let us get the job done. We've been doing it. We have done it in the past, and we'll continue to do it to the best of our ability. All right? Driving lesson Brooklyn, Pierre Driving School will have no issue helping you get there with no time. All right? We got road tests every other week. We get your road test. As long as you're ready, get your rolling to go for your road test. All right, our class are very friendly approach. Our online scheduling, it's very easy to do. We will get you covered all the way. All right, so once again, been here with Pierre Driving School, driving lesson Brooklyn. We are able and willing to help you with no issue. I've been doing this with this driving school. I've been doing the teaching exactly for over 2 decades now, going on 2 decades now. So I'm pretty much solid on what I'm saying. You know what I mean? We take very pride of what we're doing. You know what I mean? We want you to be on the road with us and get ready to drive with no issue. Okay? All right. So it has been here with Pierre Driving School.